Hi, Amrapali. Hi, good evening. Good evening. Am I audible, right? Let me know in the chat box once. Am I audible? Hi, Amrapali. Hi, good evening. Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening, Nageshwari. Today's the first class to everyone, right? Yes, Purnima, good evening. How are you all? Am I audible, right? Properly? Is my voice is properly audible to everyone, right? Yes. That's great. That's great. Good. How was the two classes? Bio over and chemistry also over. Maths also, even for those who are opted for the JEE, right? Yes, nice. Okay. We'll wait for further 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Okay. After then we will start because only 18 members are there. Will it reach us around 25 or 30 minutes? We'll start. immediately. Cool. Good evening, Nandini. Good evening. Priya Ranjini, good evening. Yes. And those who are watching in our YouTube live, no, I think for you guys, maybe I will give the replay after 1 minute because 1 minute lagging will be there. Okay, for our live class and as well as the YouTube class. Yes, Chandana, good evening. Purva, good evening, bro. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's a good time to start. Good evening, everyone, those who are attended here. And guys, I would like to first introduce myself. This is Shyam Sundar, and I did my master's at Tumkur University. Properly, I'm belonging to Karnataka. Okay, this is my name, Shyam Sundar. Okay, currently, yes, good evening. Venkatesh, good evening. Currently, I'm working in JNV Haveri. Probably those who are from Karnataka, they know where is Haveri located. Okay, it's a North Karnataka regional. Okay, I'm working as a physics faculty in JNV Haveri. Had an experience in Avanti around 1 year. Okay, from last 1 year, I'm working as a physics faculty in Avanti. Okay, this is a short introduction here myself. And guys, you already know we already given information. We are going to start the class by yesterday only. But yes, good evening, Bellari. Namaskara. Okay, and most of all, yesterday only we have to start this class, but orientation is not yet done. That's why 1 day later we have started this classes. Okay. Yes, Prakriti. Good evening. Good evening. And guys, meanwhile, if my voice is breaking, means please let me know. Okay. And any technical issues, my voice is not audible properly. Also, on screen is not properly visible. Also, and is there any consistency? Right? While teaching, if you are not understanding anything, means regarding about the concept, no need to hesitate. Okay. Please drop your doubts in the chat box directly. Okay. This is a kind word. And yes, good evening, all guys. Good evening. Voice is breaking. Okay, I will try to keep. Yes, now check it once. Check it once. Voice is audible, right? Properly? Yes, good. And meanwhile, guys, while teaching, the same enthusiasm, what you are typing here, no chatting in a box, this is the same enthusiasm you have to maintain till the end of the year. Okay, this is the best year to all of you. Okay, to make participation in a competitive exams. Put you a lot of effort towards the each and every subject and get maximum marks. Okay, this is the first wishes from my end. Clear? Yes, good evening, guys. Those who are watching on YouTube, I'm replying you all. Okay, and yeah, we'll start our class today. Actually, class 12th may in a two terms, if I'm going to divide a termination exam, term examination is not there. We are going to divide the syllabus into 2 offs. Okay, in a 2 offs, first of May, electrostatics is our first chapter to all of you. Okay, in this electrostatics, guys, we are going to study today. These are the 4 factors: charges and quantization of charges, and as well as types of charges, method of charging, and Coulomb's law of electrostatics. Okay, these are the 4 topics which I actually bought here, and whether I want to know whether it is I will complete these all things and don't know, because I want to give a brief introduction about the charges first. Okay, when you know about the charges, then only this chapter will be understood well, right? For that reason. Zoom, it is coming invalid meeting ID. Honaya, try to contact your Avanti fellow program fellows once. Okay, they will give a valid ID. Okay, try to go and collect it immediately. Clear? Okay, okay. The maximum everybody came. Okay, guys, we'll go through the syllabus first. In half of the syllabus already I told you. These are the chapters which I have. First chapter is electric charges and field lines. Okay, chota chapter hai. If you are going to combine these things also, electric field line means it will become very bada chapter. Okay, and then electrostatic potential and capacitance. This is also very important chapter. This is the second chapter. And then coming to the third chapter, and very important, most important, because if you are writing JEE exam means definitely you can expect from this chapter 2 questions. Definitely 2 questions in each paper. Okay, very important chapter, current electricity. And then fourth one will be moving charges and magnetism. Okay, and then fifth one, magnetism and matter, similar concepts guys. Okay, and then sixth one, electromagnetic induction. Seventh one, alternating current. Eighth one, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, guys. You might be thinking like that, maybe the chapters will go going forward, it will become heavy to you all, like that. No need to think like that. Actually, why no? In class 11, last week when I'm teaching gravitation for the class 11, no, I already informed to the students like that. If you study the chapter gravitation, right, it is very easy to understand these 2 chapters: electric charges and field lines, and electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay, whatever the topics we are going to cover in this chapter, no gravitation, the same topic will become here. And those who are not yet studied there, no need to worry about it, right? Again, I will explain detailed explanation of the electric charges and field lines, potential and capacitance. Clear now? And then if you know these 2 chapters, then the chapter number 5 and 6 are there. No, these 2 will become easy. Most of all, around 50% of the syllabus will be repeat here. Clear? And not this one, moving charge and magnetism and matter. 4th and 5th chapter. 4th and 5th chapter. Clear now? Right? How to link the chapters? No, it is very important. Okay. Okay, that's great. And then last, electromagnetic induction. This is a very simple chapter, easiest chapter. And every year one question will be there is one question will be appear from this chapter. Okay, around 8 to 9 concepts are there. Around 9 concepts. If you read 9 concepts, means definitely you will ready with one question. Definitely you will answer one question. Simple chapter, easy chapter. And then alternating current. It is also easy chapter, but you need to work on 11th May waves hota na, waves and oscillations. If you know that chapter well, means here it will become very easy later. RLs also I will teach you well. Okay, no need to worry about it. And then last chapter is electromagnetic waves. This is a very simple chapter among these 8 chapters here. Okay, and from this chapter also you can expect one question for JEE. And NEET means NEET you can expect each chapter 2 questions. Okay, clear, right? Is this all things clear, right? I think you are right. Yes, Yashaswini, good. Good. Yes. And kind request, everyone try to participate in the chat box. Okay. Yes, good, bro. Abhishek, good. Okay, without wasting time, we'll start our today's topic, that is electrostatics. Before starting the electrostatics exact chapters, we need to know about what is the meaning of charge. Okay, guys, I want to know one more point. If in schools, in few schools, after completion of the 11th, they already started the electrostatics. Okay, apart from this definition, is there any definition for charge? How you are going to understand the charge? Is there anybody know what is the meaning of charge? If you know means, please forward your answer in the chat box. What is charge? If you don't know means, try to text in a chat box directly. Sir, don't know. That's it. No need to worry. Flow of current, electrons. Don't know. Unit of matter is. Before that, here charge is there. No, this is in 12th standard, guys. This is charge is a separate property here. Already, when we are studying in a mechanics, usually we are taking the mass to understand any concept. I want to understand any one concept means, usually I will take just imagine there is a mass m, right? There is a body of mass m. Correct now? Like that we used to take, right? Suppose we are going to define the acceleration means, okay, or else change in momentum. Okay, momentum find out करने के लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? P is equal to m into v था ना? ये change in momentum होता है उधर. Okay, that time we took mass as a property there. In a similar way, to understand the concept, electrostatic, potential, current, and everything, whatever it will become from this chapter onwards, no, we will take charge. What I'm taking here, charge I'm going to take. Okay, what is this charge? Next question. What is this charge? Look at here. Here I have an object. क्या है ये? Object है. इसका mass कितना है? m है. Okay, no need to worry about it. Mass m है. What I will do, I'm going to take a name here. Venkatesh. Bro, Venkatesh. Yes, magnitude. Okay, listen. Venkatesh, I'm going to take. Okay. What I will do, I will give this object to Venkatesh. First object. This is the first object. I will give this one to Venkatesh and I will tell him to break this object. Okay. What he will do, he's going to break the object like this. 4 pieces करते थे. Correct ना? Out of 4 pieces, 1 piece I will take here. And then next onwards, I'm going to call Yashaswini. Okay, Yashaswini HJ is there here. And then I will tell her to do again break this object. Again, she what will do? Break this object. Right? And now I'm going to take the again 1/4 part here. And I will tell to JNV Ballari team, okay, break this object again. And further they will break this one. And further like this I'm going to break means. And finally I will get one particle of mass. Okay, this matter का एक small particle मिलता है. ये क्या है? Small particle. Okay, there is a particle like that. I can't able to further break it. I can't able to further break that one. That kind of a small point mass is called as an atom. Correct now? In your 9th standard you studied like that. The indivisible particle of a matter is known as an atom. Right? Right. What I'm saying? Similarly. Okay, this is atom. If I'm going to take this atom outside means I will write this atom as a bigger like this. Right? This is an atom. ये क्या है guys? This is atom. When we studied this one, no, this atom also made up of 3 fundamental particles. Okay, this atom is made up of 3 fundamental particles. Write on this one. 3 fundamental. Yes, good. Good, good. I'm getting answers. Nandini, good. Yashaswini, good. Okay. Three fundamental particles. Which are those? First one will be proton. Second one, electron. Good, guys. Good, Amrin. Good. Third one is neutron. Okay. These are all the particles which made one atom. Clear now? Good, Nageshwari. Well. And guys, those who are not understanding, please do pass your doubts in a chat box meanwhile. Okay. These are the three fundamental particles now we have. From these three fundamental particles, actually atom is made. And this combination of proton, the combination of proton and neutron, these two together, they made nucleus. Sir, you might be asked, what is nucleus? Nucleus is nothing but center of an atom. इस atom के एक center होता है ना, इस center को हम कहते हैं nucleus. What is this? Nucleus. Okay? Yes. Charge nucleus. Yeah, I will tell you. Okay? This is a nucleus. This nucleus actually made up of proton plus neutron. Proton plus neutron. And then coming to the again a few points. क्या है? ये प्रोटॉन है ना, इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं e to the power plus में. Okay, positive charge. I will tell you what is that, everything. And then in electron है ना, electron को हम represent करते हैं e to the power of minus, negative. Good. And then one more particle is there, neutron, right? उसको कैसे represent करना है neutron को? Is there anybody know this one? Neutron means e to the power of 0. There is no power for it, and there is no charge for it expression. Nothing is there, charge. Yes, good, bro. Marenka, good. Right? There is no charge. Okay, coming apart from that point. Now, these two particles are inside the nucleus, they are safe. And one more particle is there, no, electron. What it will do actually, you might be observed that corner figure, right? There is a simulation. There is an yellow color roller running around the path in a red color path. Right now, this we call those as an electrons. Right? These are the electron we call. Electron क्या करता है? In nucleus के बाहर घुमाता है. Means they will revolve around the nucleus in an elliptical orbit. Clear है ना? Okay. These are revolving means इधर इसको ऊपर एक चार्ज है, देखो इधर नेगेटिव है. Or else we can say, do you know in a solar system, sun is the center most focal. Okay, planets are revolving around the sun means there is a force will be exist. May I know what kind of force is it? May I know what kind of force will be exist between us, sun, and as well as the planet? Hope my question is understood to everyone. Yes, good. Good Manu, good Priyanjali. Good. That's a gravitational force. Correct now? Similarly, guys, if electron which is revolving around the nucleus means between the nucleus means here I will write they go here clearly mentioned here. Okay, look at here. This is the atom. This is the nucleus. There is an electron which is revolving around this nucleus. Means in between the nucleus and as well as the electron, where it is revolving, there is a force will be exist between these two. Okay, there is a force exist. This force we called as an electrical force. Electrical force. Clear enough? We call this one as an electrical force. In gravitation, we call gravitational force between two massive objects. Here, between two fundamental particle means proton. Proton किधर है? Nucleus के अंदर है. Proton is actually, I told you that inside the inside plus charge hai. Correct now? Between these two charge, between these two fundamental particle, there is a force exists. That force we called as an electrical force. Right? Whatever this electrical force I'm going to calling here, no, this electrical force is nothing but charge. Hope you understand, right? Now you got an idea about charge, right? Let me know. Charge क्या होता है? Charge is nothing but intrinsic property. We can say here. Already I have written here. Intrinsic property of a fundamental particle. Right? It's an intrinsic property of a fundamental particle. It is exists between our two fundamental particles. Correct now? In the form of electrical force. In the form of electrical force. Nandini, from my end, everything is perfect. Yes, yes. YouTube guys, your answering is correct. Yes, Nagaratna good, Radhika good, Manaya good, electrostatic force. Right, right, guys. Hope you all understood this one, right? Then we Akshasti. Intrinsic means it's a kind of property. It means every matter has a property, right? It's an interior property. That's it. Okay. Every matter. Now I took fundamental particle like atom. It's a fundamental one, right? उसका अंदर एक property exist हो रहा है due to the electric charges, right? That is called the intrinsic. It's a particular property, we can say, for a given material. Clear now? Hope it is charge understood to everyone. Good. We'll move to the next concept then. And then coming to the next point, types of charges. How many types of charges are there? Don't take neutral charge again. Okay. Basically, charges we're going to divide into two types. Okay. First one is positive charge. Okay. Second one is negative charge. Positive charge and as well as the negative charge. Good. Good, guys. Okay. And here positive charge means it is called the proton. Basically, proton we called as an positive charge, and electron, okay, electron we call this one as an negatively charged bond. They are negatively charged fundamental particle. Clear now? These are the two types of charges. And coming to its nature, we have to discuss about the nature. No, without nature we can't able to do anything. What are the nature which they have? We need to understand properly. Correct now? Okay. I will give a good example for it. Okay, don't think bad. Okay, if someone likes sweets, if someone like some like snacks, okay, those who like sweets, okay, मान लो इधर एक पर्सन है ये, okay, इसको sweets means बहुत पसंद है ये को, and a person B इसको sweets देखने से बहुत बुरा लगता है. He doesn't like sweet. Okay, means if a person A likes sweet means he will get attracted towards the sweet. Whenever if he is going in a road means, just imagine he is going on a road. Okay, some bakery he is going to find by some bakery means what he will do suddenly he will, if he had paisa means इसके पॉकेट में पैसा होता तो क्या करता है वो बेकरी की तरफ जाता है and he will purchase the sweet to eat that one. Correct ना? Because he liked it. Correct ना? Person B इसका पॉकेट में पैसा होता है, बहुत पैसा होता है. If basically he hate sweet. Okay, when he hate sweets, no, when he see the bakery also he will move away from the bakery. He is moving away from the bakery. Why? He doesn't like that one. He doesn't like that one. Guys, this is just an analogy. Okay, don't take this one as a serious. Okay, it's a simple concept only, right? I will explain that one here. Here also basically, when we talk about the charges, no, actually usually we talk about, yeah, usually we are talking about this charges. Here two kinds of charges are there. उसका nature कैसा होता है, देखो इधर. If positive charge bodies are, this is a positive charge, means proton है. Okay, if I'm going to bring another one positive charge nearby this one, nearby the first one, I'm going to bring another one positive charge, means actually these two will get repelled. Good. Why like that, sir? Repelling. That's actually property we are. Actually, why it is happening, we can't able to say like that. It's a basically property we are studying. Something which is replaying me. Okay, just you might be analyze this simulation which is playing right side of the corner. Actually, दोनों body है, उसके ऊपर positive charge है. Okay, when positive charges are there, no, that time they are repelling, right? Why they are repelling? When they are analyzed deeply, no, that time they got to know that basically these two are belongs to same kind of charges. Then after the scientists given like that, same kind of charges will be there, means they will be repelled. Understanding, right? It's actually we are not going to do anything here. We are analyzing the we are analyzing the situation, and based on the situation we have developed the property of the charge. Clear enough? Manu Devraj, is it clear? Same charges hota to repel hota. Yes, good. Okay. Similarly, if I'm going to take negative charge and another one negative charge, means what they will do? Again, in दोनों का बीच में repulsion होता है. Yes, good, Yashasvi. Again, these two will be get repel each other. Correct now? And then this is positive charge and this is negative charge. Just imagine like that. This is the proton, this is the electron. Now, in दोनों को बीच में exist होगा ना वो था ना force, it will be attractive force. What kind of force? This is attractive force. ये दोनों attract होता है. Yes, Mega. Good Chintan. Clear? This is all about types of charges and its nature. Good. Right. Actually, in nature, how they are, no, that is what we are understood. Okay, come to the next one. Quantization of charge. Quantization का मतलब क्या होता है? Here already are written in a simple format. Anything which is available in a fixed quantity. Anything which is available in a fixed quantity. Suppose you are going to market. You will going to market means then this is a season of mangoes. Yes, right? Yes, good bro. Good. This is a season of mangoes. Okay. Just imagine roadside a person is selling mango in kgs, but think he is giving the mango by in a price of, you purchase one mango means it will be the cost of 10 rupees like that. Okay. Now how you are going to purchase it? You will purchase one mango or two mango or three mango. Sufficient. How much you want, that much only you want to purchase. Correct now? 1, 2, 3, 4, like in that way. You never ask, give me by a 1.5 mango. Whether you will ask like that? Will you ask like that? Ever? Mangoes. I'm talking about mangoes. I need answer from everyone. Depending upon this situation, what I told you, no, is it possible, or whether you're going to ask like that? Give me for 1.5 mango. No, right? In a similar way, guys, in one body is there means I told you one electron, right? In a similar way, this is a body. Okay, इसके अंदर क्या होता है? Electrons होता है. Correct now? These electrons also available in the fixed quantity. In a fixed quantity. If you're going to take some electron out, means one electron will come out, or else If these two will come out means 2 electron will be come out. Okay, or else if the electron will be, we are going to remove means 3 electron will be come out. Okay, never and ever 1.5 electron will not come out, and you can't able to give 1.5 electron also inside this material. Means charges है ना, this charges electron के ऊपर एक minus sign लगा है ना, this is called charge. Okay, these charges will come out means if you're going to take that charge outside means it will come in a integer part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Never and ever like 1.5 2.5, it will not like this, right? This is a special property of a charge. We call this one as an quantization. What is this? Quantization, right? इसको represent करने के लिए we are writing the formula in this format. Q is equal to N into E. Q is equal to N into E. Here I will tell you one more point also, and I will explain everything. Here Q stands for, guys, charge. Charge का symbol होता है Q. What is this? Charge का symbol. And here N is there? No. N we call integer. Integer. How many electrons are there? If you want to find out means use this integer. Number of electrons. Clear enough? Number of electrons. And either E is there? No. We call this one E as an charge. Charge. Right? And while if they are asking, this is the question definitely they will ask in a board examination, quantization of charge based on that one. If they are asking means don't write in this format. If you write in this format, no, definitely you will going to lose half marks. Why means here charge के ऊपर sign होता है. Positive charge if you want to mention means you need to mention with a plus. If it is a negative charge means you need to mention with this that one with a negative charge. That's why here quantization charge we are going to write like this format. Q is equal to plus or minus N into E. This is the exact format of writing quantization of charge. Clear? Let me know in a chat box, everyone. Everyone. Good. Right. Amazing. You can write here, guys. Okay. Note on this point. This is very important. Okay. Charge always exists in integral multiple of integer. Integral multiple of integer. Good. Good, Sujan. Good, Nandini. Okay. Okay. If it is clear means, sir, please share this. Definitely, Nandini. Definitely. Every day. Actually, drive is not yet created, I think. Once the drive is created, no, we'll upload the same PPT in a drive, or else I will try to forward this one in a group itself, WhatsApp group. Right? No worries. Cool. And then coming to the next point, here I told you that integral multiple. I told integral multiple. Okay. Here, if I want to write for the electrons, so what is the distance between the multiple of integer and integral? Multiple of integer. I didn't understand. Integral means it is nothing but, guys, integration. Do you know? Integration means क्या होता है? Construction होता है. Correct? Integration means one है, उसको integration करना है, और एक adding. It is basically adding. Up to 10th standard, what you will do? No, this is one pen. These are two pen. Another one pen, if I'm going to take here, means two pen होता है. Another one means 3. Another one means 4. Another like this. If you're going to put line around vast amount of pens means, okay, here how we are going to count the pens? By adding one by one. Adding. Correct? Now, addition is we are going to discuss in a 11th and 12th standard maths में integration एक chapter आता है. Integration is nothing but addition of a anything physical quantity को addition करने का एक तरीका होता है integration, right? Integral means it is nothing but adding, that's it. Okay, here देखो I will explain. Okay, if you want means look at here. If I want to take the negative electrons means Q is equal to N into E is there, electron. Correct now? Electron is particularly I'm taking, that's why I will write here Q is equal to minus N into E. So no, look at here. Yes, good issues. Here N value integer होता है, मैंने बोल दिया था already. Now integer means it will be start from 1. Okay, now I will write 1 electron, or else you can write like this also, 1 electron. And then next step will be integral means 2 electron, next one 3 electron, next one 4 electron, 5 electron, 6 electron, like that n electrons. Clear now? This is the format of integral multiply of charges. Right? Is it clear now? One more point is right now. And then here charge I told no, this is a charge. इसका value भी होता है. The charge it has value also. How much this value of charge? Look at here. This is the charge of an electron. If somebody will ask means you have to write like charge of electron means the value will be 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Yes, good Priyaranjani. Well done. Good answer. Okay, this is called the charge of an electron. Liख दो इसको. Charge of electron. Clear up? Right? And if someone will ask like this, what is the charge of proton then? Now tell me what is the charge of proton? I know everyone knows the charge of electron. Now tell me what is the charge of proton? Proton का charge क्या होता है? Yes, Preeti, right? Proton charge value also. No. Yeah, one name. Amazing answer. Yes, good. It's in chemistry. You will study that one. Okay, Bhavya. Yes, same. Good. The value of proton charge will be same. 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb only. Specifically, if you want to write down means here you put plus, here you put minus. That's it. But whenever we are going to take while solving the problem, no, we are usually take the 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb only. We are not talking about any signs. Sign mention किया ना मैंने, उसको नहीं consider करते हैं. Clear? Okay, that's great. We'll move to the next point. Next point is that conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Guys, I want to know what is the meaning of conservation of energy. Take 30 seconds and type the answer in the chat box. I'm expecting maximum answers. Maximum answers. What is the meaning of conservation of energy? Right, guys. Those who give YouTube also, you people are giving correct answers. Well, energy. Yes, good. Obviously, right. Yes, amazing answers. Outstanding, guys, everyone. Okay, yes. Conservation of energy means energy we can't able to create it, right? And a similar way we can't able to destroy the energy also, but we can convert the energy from one form to another form. This is what the conservation of energy. This is already you're studying this one since from your childhood, means 7th standard says you are studying this one. Correct now? In a similar way, guys, here also we are considering the conservation of charges. A charges conservation क्या होता है? Yes, good Nandini, good. Okay, here also same thing. मान लो इधर एक बॉडी है, look at here, this is a body. Okay, इसके ऊपर चार्ज है Q. Okay, and another one body is there, इसके ऊपर भी चार्ज है, मान लो, I will explain in a different way. Look at here, दो बॉडीज आते हैं. ओके, इसके ऊपर 6 चार्जेस आते हैं, 6 नेगेटिव चार्जेस. नेगेटिवली चार्ज, दिस इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड बॉडी. Negative charge, excess of negative electrons are there, that's why we call negatively charged body. This body I'm going to call it as a neutral. Neutral body means इसके अंदर क्या होता है ना, पॉजिटिव चार्जेस एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस इक्वल होता है. क्या होता है? इक्वल होता है. क्लियर ना? दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल न्यूट्रल बॉडी. 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज मींस 2 नेगेटिव चार्जेस होता है. Correct now? Consider these 2 bodies I'm going to keep in a system. Any one डब्बे के अंदर रख दिया मैंने. Correct now? Now what I will do? I will going to do some jerk. Jerk means I'm going to like this I will do. Okay, I will do some jerk. When I'm going to do, no, at this moment ये दोनों बॉडी के अंदर फ्रिक्शन होता है. फ्रिक्शन होने से क्या होता है ना, मे बी few electrons will be jump into this body, maybe 1 or 2 electron will be go into this body. Correct? Before I'm going to shake this object, no, इसके अंदर कितना electrons था? 6 electrons. And here how many electrons था? Only 2 electrons था. Only 2 electrons, right? After shaking, what happens? 2 electron will be jumps to the second body. Then in second body how many electrons over? 4 electrons over. In first body 2 electron will be lost here. 2 electrons क्या हो गया? Loss हो गया. Means इसके अंदर भी 4 electron हो गया. But this is a total system. Before shaking also total system में कितने electrons था? 6 plus 2, 8 electrons था. After shaking also कितने electrons आए हैं? Only 8 electrons are remaining. From this point we can say like this, charges also we can't able to create it, we can't able to destroy it, but we can transfer a charge from one object to another object. Clear? Let me know in a chat box. Yes, good ratios. Is it clear for everyone, right? Everyone. Abhishek, Akila, Gandharva, Hemanta, Jainvi, Akash Chukki, right? That one. Lohit, Komal, Rutuja, good. Mansa, Manju. Understood, right? Okay, just analyze this simulation which is present beside that figure. Here you maybe know, first it has a 6. Look at here again, you further 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb था. Means इसका value होता है 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb, means 6 microcoulomb we will say. What we will say? 6 microcoulomb. 10 to the power of minus 6. When it touches to the another body before देखो इधर 0 coulomb था, the third body also 0 coulomb. When it touches, no, 3 microcoulomb transfer to this one. After second body touches to third one, 3 microcoulomb में again half हो गया, आधा हो गया. Correct ना? Means क्या हो रहा है इधर? Charge will be transferred from one body to another body हो रहा है. If you consider this whole as a system, the total net charge will be again 6 microcoulomb only. Correct now? This is called the conservation of charges, right? And then important points, guys. Important points. Note on these points. Very important. Charge is a physical quantity. I told you when you're going to the market, no mangoes. If you're going to pick up means you can count those things. Mangoes means this. Those are the physical quantities. Physical quantities क्या होता है actually measurable things होता है. Whatever if you're measuring something means it's a physical quantity. Similarly, here we can measure the charges also. Okay, that's why charge is a physical quantity. Charge is a physical quantity. We are going to measure the charges in the SI unit coulomb. क्या है? Coulomb है. Coulomb means is a scientist name who found the charges. Clear now? While representing coulomb, try to write in a capital letter. Coulomb. Clear? Coulomb. And you might be observed here, sir, then why you are writing in 6 microcoulomb? Actually, coulomb means it's very big quantity. Okay, coulomb means it's very big quantity. We are not using coulomb for our syllabus. लिख दो इसको. We are only using the microcoulomb. Micro means 10 to the power of -6. Just imagine charges है ना, वो charges are very tiny objects here. We are studying still tiny one here. 10 to the power of -6 coulomb. Just imagine. Right. Good decision. Hope you understand. Everybody has understood the conservation of charge. And guys, are you getting bored? Let me know. No, right? Yes. If you are getting bored, means tell me. Okay. If you are getting bored, means tell me. I will give a problem. Okay. Even if you are not get bored, also you need to solve the problem. Here on problem is that. Look at here. Yeah, I given. Venkatesh, look at here. Can a charge of 8 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons minus 18 electrons be given to any body? Is it possible to give the 8 into 10 to the power of minus 18 electron to any body? They are asking. Same question will be appear in NEET and as well as the CET like this. But they will give the question in a 2 to 3 sentences because their plan is to waste your time. Correct now? The same question. Is it possible? Yes. How it is possible? We need to check this one. How? By the applying the quantization of charge. Principle of quantization. क्या होता है principle of quantization? Q is equal to N into E होता है ना? Right? Now we need to check whether this is integral multiple or not. Yes, Yashaswini, right. Correct now? Now we need to find out this value of N. So they given a charge value, Q value they given kitna 8 into 10 to the power of minus 18 electrons, or you can call coulomb, koi problem nahi, right? Okay, then E value you need to substitute here. E value will be already I told you 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Correct now? Now substitute these two values in this equation number 1. I will call this equation number 1. Correct now? Now take E to left hand side, then it comes to denominator. Correct now? Then Q by E is equal to N होता है. Correct now? Q का value substitute करो. Already they given 8 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb divided by E का value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb is equal to N. Coulomb cancel now because N is an integer. N doesn't have any SI unit. That's why they are cancelling here. Correct now? And then either 18 है 19 है denominator में. I will take this one to numerator. कोई problem नहीं. Then 8 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18. If I'm going to take this one to numerator means it will comes to plus 19. Correct now? The bases are same at this index. Index को add करो. Minus 18 plus 19 कितना होता है? Minus 18 plus 19. अरे यार, why you are asking this simple mathematics, sir? Correct ना? Right? क्या कर सकते हैं? सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स से है ना ये गुड 10 to the power of +1 होता है. It is nothing but 10 only. Right? Okay. Now, if you're 1.6, if you're going to divide the 8 by 1.6 means it will become near 5. 5 is 1.6 into 5 is 8 होता है. Cross check करो. Yes, good. Okay. And 5 into 10 है. Means the value will come out to be, n value will be come out to be 50 होता है. Means it is integer, right? 50. Definitely it is not a fraction. Yes, Priyaranjan, good. It is not a fraction. It's an integer. N is an integer. Now tell me, is it possible to pass 50 electron to any body, or is it possible to remove the 50 electron from the body? It's possible, right? Let me know. Yes. Good. Whenever you're saying yes or no, I will get boosted up. That's great, Chintan. Good, Chintan. Good. Hope you all understood this one. Good. Yes, Ananya. Good. Okay. Next thing, we'll finish this topic also. Charging method होता है. Charging method क्या होता है? सर सॉकेट को चार्जर लगाओ सर, और सॉकेट में होता है ना चार्जिंग केबल, उसको फोन को लगाना है, चार्ज होता है मोबाइल. Is it charging? Is it the charging? Yes, of course. That is also kind of charging. That is due to electrical charge, moving charges. That is okay. Due to moving charges, mobile charge होता है. We'll talk about that one in a third chapter. Okay. Here, method of charging. There 3 kinds of method of charging. First one is charging by conduction. Names देखो इधर 3 marks के लिए very important. This is for NCERT exams. 3 marks. Okay. Charging by conduction. Second one क्या होता है? Charging by induction. And third one, charging by friction. This is well known to all of you. Charging by friction. You all did this one in your childhood. Taking a comb and rubbing the comb to the hair, and you're going to bring that comb near the papers, means paper will be get attracted. Right? That is the charging of friction. I will explain one by one. No worries. Look at here. First, we will study about the charging by conduction. Charging by conduction is nothing but one body charged body होता है हमारे पास. क्या होता है? देखो इधर. I will take. Soon. This is body charged with the Q. Yes. Okay. Look at here. It is charged with negative. Okay. Negative charges are there. 6 charges are there. Okay. And then this is the second body is neutral body. What kind of body is that? Suno. Dan se suno. This is neutral. इसके अंदर neutral means क्या होता है? Positive charges equal to negative charges होता है. Neutral body means. Okay. कितना number of positive charge होता है? Means 50 positive charge होता है. Means 50 negative charge. Balance. Yes. Good. Now what I will do now? This negatively charged body को neutral body के तरह लेके आता हूँ. Okay, I'm going to touch these 2 bodies close to each other. When I touch these 2 bodies, no, what will happen? These charges will start to transfer to negatively charged body. Yes, of course, but the condition is there. I will tell you. I won't revise your answer. I will tell you the conditions also. Okay, when you're going to touch these 2, no, that time इधर Q था, इधर कुछ भी नहीं था second object में. These charges will be distributed equally here. Now it will become Q by 2. It will become Q by 2. Means इधर 3 charges बचाता है, इधर 3 charges क्या होता है? Transfer हो जाता है. क्या होता है इधर? Transfer हो जाता है. Clear ना? And here I written Q by 2 and Q by 2. This will be happen conditionally flow. This is very important. If the body size and shape should be same. Okay, body size and shape should be same. That time only equally charges will be distributed, or else it will be not. It won't be happen like this. Okay, guys, I will tell you one more point. If you want to know about this thing, no, just go through H.C. Verma textbook. H.C. Verma. Okay, he's explained amazingly how the transfer of charge will be takes place. Right? Go through once if you are free means. Clear now? This is charging by conduction. Conduction means taking near to the charged body and transferring the charge to the another body. Clear? Good. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt means let me know. I know guys, actually you people are watched already 2 classes now, keeping earphone in your ear. Since from last 3 years, you're maintaining your energy. It is highly impossible. Okay, I will definitely agree with that one. I'm not going to rush anything. I will go slow by slow only. I will try to finish everything and I will reach the concept, everything into your mind. Clear? Hope it is enough for this class, right? Hope it is enough for this class, right? Thank you, Yashaswini. Yeah, definitely. If you are getting bored, miss, tell me. Okay, immediately I will give the problem. I won't pass any joke, and I don't know how to sing. I know singing, but I am not good at singing. Okay, definitely don't expect me, but I will give the problems and I will. Yeah, Prasanna. How do I get to the model? Get the model. Okay. Prasanna, you don't have a model with you? Okay, thank you. Module if you want means, guys, actually, you people you are in a WhatsApp group, right? Avanti WhatsApp group. I think they're not yet updated the links till. Okay. Very soon they are going to update the links in your WhatsApp description box. Description box means name of the box, name होता है ना WhatsApp में, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करने से एक डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है. ओके, उधर लिंक्स अपडेट करते हैं. ये की लिंक के अंदर आपको नोट्स, मॉड्यूल्स सब कुछ मिलता है. For example, today I did this chapter. No, whatever the points which I mentioned on my screen, I will send the same screen sheet means PDF format में उधर डालता हूँ मैं. Okay, you will get very fast. Instantly you will get it. Clear? Okay, thank you for everyone to join here. We'll meet in a tomorrow class. Okay. Okay. Bye. Good. Thank you, Yashaswini. Bye. We'll talk about the charging by induction and friction in a tomorrow class. Okay, bye. Meenaj, bye. Yes, Sujan. Take care, guys. Okay. Chintan, good. Thank you, bro. Rutuja, yes, Rutuja. Bye-bye. It's Chintan, sir. Yes, Chintan. Your name is there. Janvi. Which Janvi or Chintan? Nice lecture. Thank you, Rutuja. Chintan, which Janvi you belongs to? Chintana, Chintana. Yes. Chintana. Hey, sorry. Cool. I thought of Chintan. Chitradurga. Okay. Jai Kannada. Okay, guys, we'll see you in a tomorrow class. I will go to wind up. Okay, bye-bye.